Hello my beautiful and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you the last day of 3-day split workout, but if you come an extra, this workout you can do in your last day. Ready? Let's go. First we're gonna start from straight and after we will go from up to down. Correct all small muscles what we didn't catch during full week of workout. Let's go. So let's start from arms, which we didn't make at all full week. We will do only one exercise for the biceps and one exercise for the triceps in superset. I don't work with the big weight. I only use 2-3 kg maximum for the all upper body workout. If it's counting arms or shoulders, sometimes I'm using higher weight for the shoulder press or much bigger weight for the back workout. Dumbbell curl. 10 times. Go. 4. 5. After dumbbell curl, you directly bending over and continue with dumbbell extension. Backward. 2. 3. Fix your arms and just move your elbows and lower your elbows. Bend straight. Also 10 times. And like this on repeat, you just continue 10 times because biceps is resting while you do triceps. And after just bend over, after 10 times and 10 times backward. Like this fast you do 3 sets, finish. So it was the first exercise. Now the second one, to warm up your shoulders, your arms, your back, your legs, your booty, your lower back. My favorite exercise, I call it up down. 4 sets, 20 repeats, full body warm up. So 20 repeats, 4 sets of this exercise, and it already will take approximately 10 minutes for only 2 exercises. After, some small warm-up without weights for the lower body. First and the main, very important warm-up exercise, actually, if you're gonna add to any booty workout or less workout, it will help you to increase your muscles. It's for the calves, yeah? Just go on your toes 20 times, 4 sets as well. Favorite one, always for my booty, for each booty is my favorite one. So we're gonna do swings back and swing side. Very important to squeeze your stomach. Hold your back, don't move your upper body. Only your lower body is moving. So swing back 10-10 each leg, same swing side 10-10 each leg, 4 sets. I'm gonna hold myself. You can do it standing, but most important to squeeze your stomach. machine. Usually it has in any gym, even you can buy it to your place and use it every day. There is like maybe a very cheap one, like $10 machines. You just twisting on the floor. But this one, you should squeeze your upper body and move only your lower body. Better to put alarm for 5 minutes and just keep the phone on the side. Only one set, 5 minutes. So for lower back, you can always use without machine on the floor, lying on your stomach, just lift your whole body up. But it's perfect if you have this machine in your gym and you can do it there.
A new place, a new home.
Also fix your upper body, just go by your stomach down and up. In same time, relax your glute.
Me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride.
Your knee little bit in bend position. You can also use your phone and do like 5 minutes of this workout, or otherwise 4 sets, like 20 times.
I feel so alive.
I can also show you hyperextension machine, but simple one. Each gym have it. You can use extra weight or you can do without weight. Just keep your arms wherever you're comfortable. My arms comfortable exactly on my chest.
As I reach out to the
around 4 sets, 25 times if without weight. If you do it with weight, adjust like 15 to 20 times. Usually I don't do abs workout, only I give sometimes to my girls small amounts after every workout. Only one exercise, 3 sets. The diet most important to keep it very thin. If you working out with abs muscles, it's also growing. Keep it in low sense, so only once per week or twice per week you can do the abs workout. And here is 3 sets, 15 times each.
In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way.
Okay, we are done. Body extra workout for the week. So you have already your 3 days, and this is extra day if you're coming to the gym extra. In the end of this workout, I'm gonna do cardio for 30 minutes, this full incline treadmill around 6 speed, and it's gonna burn for me like 300-350 calories. And this workout will take only 1 hour. It's really enjoyable, and now you know what to do in the gym 1 day per week if you come in extra. Girls, if I forgot about something, just put down in your comments what you like to see more in my workout videos. Maybe more explanation, maybe more heavy workout, or opposite, some circle workout or group classes. So I'm gonna try to share with you all my experience. Girls, after your comment, put likes if you like it, subscribe at my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna see you very, very soon with my next video for you girls.
'Cause I found my way.